are two integers, and x is variable, which is only one solution. So our first example, Mira's mother is 4 times as old as Mira. After 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. What are their present ages? As for the solution, let present age Mira's be x years, and then the present age Mira's mother to 4x years, because Mira's mother is 4 times as old as she. And then after 5 years, it will become x plus 5, and then for Mira's mother age, it will become 4x plus 5 because it is their age after 5 years. So by the given condition, we will have 4x plus 5 times equals x times the quantity of x plus 5. So we get the 3 because after 5 years, your mother will be 3 times as old as she. So we will solve it. 4x plus 5 equals 3 times x equals 3x, then x times 5 equals 15. So 4x minus 3x plus 5 equals 15. So where did we get the negative 3x? So we transfer the 3x here to the left side, and then it will become negative. So 4x minus 3x plus 5 equals 15. So 4x minus 3x will also transfer the constant number to the right side, and it will become its opposite operation, which is negative. So 4x minus 3x equals 15 minus 5. So the x is 10 years. So here, let present age of Mira as the x years. So the x here is the present age of Mira. So how to get the age of Mira's mother in present? So since here, the present age of Mira's mother is 4x, so we will times or substitute the value for x, which is 10. So 4x will become 4, and substitute the value of x, which is 10. 4 times 10 equals 40 years. So this is the age of Mira's mother in the present. So to check if our answer is correct, after 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she. So we will add 10 plus 5 equals 15 years. So this is the age of Mira after 5 years. So how about the age of her mother after 5 years? So since the age of her mother in the present is 40 years, so we will add 40 by 5, it will become 45 years. So her mother's age in the future, or in the next 5 years, will be 45 years. So after 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she. So 15 years times 8 equals 45. So the answer is, for Mira's age in the present is 10. Mira's age in the present is 10. And for Mira's mother is 40 years. So our answer is correct.
Example number 2. Phil is Tom's mother. Phil is 35 years old. 3 years ago, Phil was 4 times as old as his son was then. How old is Tom now? First, circle what is the most ultimately found. How old is Tom now? Therefore, let T be Tom's age now. Then 3 years ago, Tom's age will be T minus 3. 4 times Tom's age 3 years ago would be 4 times T3 minus 3. Phil's age 3 years ago would be 35 minus 3 equals 32. A simple chart may also be useful. So now use the problem to set up an equation. So 3 years ago, Phil was 4 times as old as his son was then, so Phil is 32. Then 4 times ay T minus 3. So 32 plus 4 times T minus 3. 32 divided by 4 equals 4 times T minus 3 equals 4. Yeah, 32 divided by 4 equals 8 times 4. Then 8 equals copying T. 8 equals T minus 3. 8 plus 3 equals T minus 3 plus 3 equals 3. So how old is Tom now? Therefore, Tom is now 11.
Discuss about linear equation with one variable. So here is the example. The present age of Jacob's father is 3 times that of Jacob. After 5 years, some of their ages would be 70 years. Find their present ages. So first, we will determine that let Jacob's age is equals to x years, the age of Jacob. Then his father's age is equals to 3x, or represent as 3 times that Jacob's age. So after 5 years, and Jacob's age is equals to x plus 5, and his father's age is 3x plus 5, and the sum of their age is equals to 70. Then we're going to plot this into x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equals 70. So we were going to add the same variable, which is what do you call this, x plus 3 equals 4x, and 5 plus 5 equals 10. So the total of this is equals 70. So 4x equals 70 minus 10. We put this as minus 10 because we're going to put this 10 out. So, and then next we're going to put there 4x minus 60. 60 means 60 is the answer of this solution here. So we're going to cancel out, reduce. We'll put there 4, then cancel. So now we're going to divide 60 divided by 4. So equals 15. Therefore, the age of Jacob is 15. So, and the age of her father is 3 times than Jacob's age. So 3 times 15 equals, and his father's age is equals to 45. So the present age of Jacob is 15, and his father's age is 45.
So moving on to our next set of examples about age problems of linear equation.
and two variables which in written in form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, wherein a, b, and c are real numbers, and this is a coefficient of x and y. Okay? And respectively, a and b is not equal to 0. Sum of Alaya and Harold's age is 28. 4 years from now, Alaya will be 3 times as Harold. Find their present age. So to find their present age, neither Alaya nor Harold's age is expressed in terms of the other. So for this problem, we will be using more than one variable to represent the unknown value. To start, let A be Alaya's age, and let H be Harold's age. Since they will be 4 years older in the next 4 years, we simply have to add 4 to their current age to represent their future age. So this is the table. So Alaya, which is represent A, and this is the formula, in 4 years from the future. A plus 4 years, and for Harold, which is represents age. So we will just add 4 years to their current age.
Back at our problem, there are two significant statements that can find our answer. So first is the sum of Aliyah and Harold's age is 28. So from this statement, we can create the equation below. So this is the first equation: A for Aliyah's age and A for Harold's age. Since 4 years from now, Aliyah will be 3 times as old as Harold. Meanwhile, the statement above can be translated into the following equation. So this is Aliyah's age and this is the current Harold's age. Equation A. So A plus H is equal to 28. So we will transpose the H. So it will become A is equal to 28 minus H.
So now let's solve for the equation 2, which is a plus 4 equals 3, the quantity of h plus 4. Since we have the value for a, we'll replace a with 28 minus h. Then bring back plus 4 equals 3, the quantity of h plus 4. Then we'll add 28 plus 4, so 32. Then minus h equals, for this side, we'll do the distributive property. 3 times h is equal to 3h. Plus 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So para makansel na ito ang negative h, add both sides with positive h. 32 minus h plus h equals 3h plus h plus 12. So, bring down 32, negative h plus h cancel, equals 3h plus h is equal to 4h, then plus 12. Then para makansel na po na ito ang 12, we'll add both sides with negative 12. 32 minus 12 equals 4h plus 12 minus 12. 32 minus 12 is equal to 20. Then 12 minus 12 cancel because it is 0. Then bring back 4h. Divide both sides with 4. Cancel. Bring down h. 20 divide 4 is equal to 5. So h is equal to 5. So we are able to find values for both unknown variables a and h, which also stands the present ages of Aliyah and Harold. So we have Aliyah's current age, a equals 28 minus h equals 28. Since mali ang sum sa ilang duha ka edad, para makita nato ang edad ni Aliyah, ato i-minus ang edad ni Harold, which is 5. 28 minus 5 equals 23. Then Harold's current age is 5. Currently, Aliyah is 23 years old while Harold is 5 years old.
Our last examples of linear equations in two variables is the sum of the ages of Jaya and Nadia is 3 times Nadia's age. 7 years ago, Jaya was 3 less than 4 times as old as Nadia. So how old are they now? So as you observe in this problem, it is similar to our previous example. However, for this one, we are not given the exact number for the sum. We first have to find out each of their current ages so we can determine what the sum is. So let y be Jaya's age and let n be Nadia's age. In order to represent how old they were 7 years ago, we need to subtract it by 7 from their current ages. So as you can see in the table, I already put in the past Jaya and Nadia, wherein I subtract it by 7. So now that we've organized our data, let's go to the significant statement given in our problem and translate each into an equation. So since the sum of the ages of Jaya and Nadia is 3 times Nadia's age, so we put y plus n equals, since 3 times Nadia's age, so we put 3n. So for Nadia, since 7 years ago, Jaya was 3 less than 4 times as old as Nadia, so we put y minus 7 equals less than 4 times. Since less than 4 times, we put 4 times the quantity of n minus 7 years old. and then 3 times, less than 3 times minus 3. Now that we translate h in an equations, we have now two equations for this problem. For first equations, we have y plus n equals 3n, wherein y and n is Jaya and Nadia, then 3n is 3 times Nadia's age. For second equations, we have y minus 7 equals 4 times the quantity of n minus 7 minus 3.
Solve for one. We need to eliminate n or transpose it to the right side. So y plus n minus n as in half n equals y. And y equals 3n minus n equals 2n. So y equals 2n.
In equation 2, to solve for n, you have y minus 7 equals 4 times the quantity of n minus 7 times 3. So, to substitute y to 2n, negative 7 equals 4 times n equals 4n. Then, 4 times negative 7 equals negative 28 minus 3. So, we have 2n minus 7 equals 4n minus 28 equals 4n. Negative 28 minus 3 equals to 31. It equals to negative 31. So we need to transpose n to the right so that it becomes negative. 4n minus 2n minus 31. Then negative 7 equals 4n minus 2 equals to 2n. Then copy negative 31. Then we have to transpose negative 31 to the left so that it will become positive. So negative 7 plus 31 equals to n. Then negative 7 plus 31 equals to negative 4. Then copy 2n. Then so that we can cancel out, we have to divide both sides by 2. Then 24 divided by 2 equals 12 equals n.